"31 shortcut keys on your keyboard you didn't know existed." A computer is a programmable machine. It can execute processes, calculations, and operations extremely quickly. Do you believe you've explored all of its functions and discovered all of its secrets? The most advanced computers had a hard drive size of only 320 megabytes 20 years ago. It was regarded as a significant advancement in personal computer technology at the time. But many aspects have changed since then. We almost never use mouse controllers these days, preferring touchpads and touchscreens instead. The only one that seems to have remained the same is the keyboard. The following is a list of all the shortcut keys that will definitely come in handy, regardless of whether you're using Windows or macOS X. Let's start with the 22 secret shortcut keys on the Windows keyboard. To begin, you have to locate the Windows key first. It's usually found on the left of the spacebar, on the lower row of the keyboard. Did you find it? Fantastic! All of the following combinations would include this key. Are you ready? Let's get started. Combination number 1. If you simply press the Win key, the Start menu will open. It will open the previous window in Windows 8.1. Combination number 2. If you press the Win key, followed by A in Windows 10, it will bring up the Action Center, which allows you to access your computer's settings quickly. Combination number 3. Pressing the Win key and B key together, select the first icon in the notification area. You can then use the arrow keys to switch between the icons. Combination number 4. After pressing the Win key, press and hold the Control key, and then tap the B key. This command opens any application with a new message in the notification area. Is that clear? Let's get going. Combination number 5. Press the Win key, and then the C key. The charm bar will display in Windows 8 and 8.1 versions. It launches Cortana in Windows 10, but only if you're using a compatible language. Combination number 6. This is for minimizing all of the open windows instantly. Simply press the Win key, followed by the D or M key, and you'd be on your desktop in a split second. Combination number 7. This will allow you to quickly launch Windows Explorer. To do so, hold down the Win and E keys at the same time. It also opens the Quick Launch by default in Windows 10. Combination number 8. By pressing Win and F keys, you'll be able to open, find files and folders. It opens the Feedback Hub in Windows 10. Combination number 9. You'll have to press 3 keys: Win key, Control key, and F key. This will open Find Computers. Did you get that? Let's move forward. Combination number 10. Win key plus G key combination. It functions differently in different versions of Windows. It brings all the programs that are currently in use to the foreground in Windows 7 and Vista. It brings up the game bar in Windows 10, which is a tool designed to help gamers capture video, broadcast their gameplay, take screenshots, or monitor the system utilization. Combination number 11. Pressing Win and K key will open a new Start menu in Windows 8 and 8.1 versions. Combination number 12. Do you want to quickly change the user or lock your workstation? Simply click the Win key and then the L key. Here's another combination that you will undoubtedly use on a daily basis. Combination number 13. This will bring back the most recently minimized window. Simply click the Win, Shift, and M keys. And you're done. Combination number 14. When the keys Win and O are pressed together, the device's orientation will be locked, and the gyroscope feature on tablets will be disabled. Combination number 15. When using an internal monitor or projector, simply press the Win key, followed by the P key to change operating modes. It is only compatible with Windows 7 and newer. Combination number 16. Looking for something on your computer? Then press the Win and Q key to open the search charm. This applies to all installed applications on Windows 8 and newer. Combination number 17. If you need an application or program to run quickly, simply press the Win key and R key. This will open the Run dialog box for you. Combination number 18. By pressing the keys Win and T, you'd be able to switch focus to the taskbar. It is only compatible with Windows 7 and newer. Combination number 19. Since the letter U stands for utility, pressing the keys Win and U will launch the utility manager. Need to take down notes or screenshots? Combination number 20 is here for you. If you press Win key and W, Windows Ink Workspace will launch immediately. Combination number 21. The Windows Mobile Application Center can be accessed by pressing the Win key and then the X key. This applies only to mobile computers running on Windows Vista and 7. And last but not the least, combination number 22. Pressing the Win key and Y will give us 1 million subscribers. Just kidding, but worth a try. Hooray! We have now shared all of the combinations with the Windows keyboard. Are you still here, Mac users? It's now your turn. Here are 9 secret shortcut keys that you'll definitely love. Let's go. Combination number 1. When surfing through websites, simply press the Command key and the up arrow key to quickly navigate to the top of any web page. However, if you want to navigate to the bottom of a web page, use combination number 2. Just press the Command key and then the down arrow key. Combination number 3 will enable you to work through any open documents misspelled words. Simply hold down Command and press semicolon. And there you have it. Combination number 4. The Command key, followed by keys 1, 2, or 3, will go through each of your open tabs in your browser. The first tab can be accessed by pressing Command +1, the second by pressing Command +2, and so on. Isn't it simple? Combination number 5. Instead of deleting one letter at a time, pressing keys Option and Delete will delete one word at a time. This works through the entire operating system, whether you're typing in TextEdit or entering a website's URL into your browser's URL bar. Combination number 6. Need to hide all open windows quickly? Simply hold down the Command key and then the H key. Another lifesaver is combination number 7. If you close a window by mistake and can't remember the URL, press Command, Shift, and T. Your browser will open the most recently closed tab. Combination number 8. Using the Command and F3 keys together will hide all open apps and allow you to view your desktop. Simply click the keys again to restore the hidden apps. And combination number 9. When you're trying to get your audio performance levels just right, pressing Option plus Shift plus volume up or down comes in handy. It adjusts the volume of your device in much smaller increments. And here's a secret. This keyboard shortcut will immediately deposit $10,000 into your bank account. It's Shift plus $, followed by a happy face. I've never been able to get it to work, but I figured you guys might be able to. Feel free to try and let me know. Don't forget to tell your friends about this video. We have one last combination for you. Simply press the like button below and then subscribe. This will show us how helpful this video was to you.